Need power in the palm of your hand? Whether you're clearing leaves, dusting out your workshop, or just love gadgets that blow you away, we've got the list for you. These are the top 5 best handheld air blowers. Small in size, big in power. Stay till the end. It's worth it. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the X64 Violent Blower, a compact beast built for serious performance. Powered by a high-speed 64mm brushless motor with 11 blades, it delivers up to 1,400 grams of thrust and tackles dust, snow, debris, and more. With stepless speed control, 8,000 mAh battery, and dual charging modes, it's ready for both home and professional use. Whether you're clearing a yard, drying your car, or cleaning tight gaps, this powerful handheld jet fan gets it done. Durable, efficient, and built for maximum impact, the X64 doesn't just blow, it dominates. Item number 4. Meet the Turbo Duster, a next-gen cleaning powerhouse with 4 speed modes, including a 150,000 RPM storm mode. With peak wind speeds over 52 meters per second, it blasts away dust from keyboards, electronics, and car interiors. The 8,000 mAh battery is rechargeable, eco-friendly, and protected by smart BMS tech. Built from durable ABS and rubber paint, it's cordless, compact, and built to last. Say goodbye to messy air cans. This is the perfect alternative for home, office, or outdoor use. Powerful, safe, effortless. Item number 3. Meet the CFJ0110, your 1,500-watt cordless powerhouse. With a brushless motor cranking out 50,000 RPM and wind speeds up to 200 meters per second, this beast blasts away dust, dirt, and debris like nothing else. Whether it's car detailing, deep cleaning tight corners, or even firing up a barbecue, it gets the job done. Built tough with heat-resistant materials, a 4.0-hour battery, and full Dewalt compatibility. Compact, durable, unstoppable. This isn't just an air blower, it's a high-pressure problem solver, built strong, blows stronger. Item number 2. Introducing the CSJ01, a lightweight, cordless air blower with a 4,000 mAh battery and 14.8 volts rated voltage, built for both power and portability. With 4-speed adjustment and a fast 3-hour charge time, it's ideal for on-the-go use. Its durable, high-temperature resistant materials and ergonomic handle make it easy to handle. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, car interiors, and tight spaces, this multifunctional device delivers strong performance with blowing and suction. Certified by CE and made with safe materials, tough on dust, gentle on devices. Item number 1. Introducing the TF50A1 car dryer from 7 Moons, a powerful, lightweight solution for quick and efficient drying. Equipped with a 600-watt Duct brushless motor and a 3,000 mAh battery, it delivers wind speeds up to 55 meters per second and reaches 80,000 RPM. Designed for convenience, it weighs only 560 grams, charges in just 2 hours, and offers up to 400 minutes of use time. With 4 adjustable speed settings, low noise, and CE certification, this turbo blower is ideal for both home and DIY use. Experience powerful performance with energy efficiency and total portability. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.